So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss problem B, lost permutation, which comes in Codeforces Round 834. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the problem statement. So the problem statement says uh, you are given an array B of size M, and you have to add some number of elements, possibly maybe 0 or more than 0, so that uh, the resultant array should be a permutations, and the condition is given to us those elements that we have to add into the array, those sum it should be equal to s, and the value of s is given to us. So here you can check, we have given two integer m and s. M is the size of the array that we have to given, and s is the sum of those elements which we have to add into the array to make the array permutation. So that's all given to us. Here you can check, as in the example we have explained, uh, you are given an array of size 3 and the elements are 3 1 4, and we have given the sum 13, which is the sum of those elements which we have to add into the array to make the array permutations. So as here explained, we can add 6 to 5, so this resultant array is a permutations. So So if the resultant array become a permutations, then we have to print yes. If the resultant array doesn't make a permutations after adding those elements, then simply we have to print no. So let's get started with the logic what we have to do in this problem. So let's take example. We have given array size 3, and elements of the array is these 2 4 6, and we have given the sum of those elements, those we have to add into the array to make the array permutations. So what we have to do here, you can check, first of all we will calculate the sum of array element, and we will store their sum into some variable. Okay. uh, so their sum is should be is equal to 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 12. So and we will what we will do, we will find the maximum element of the array. Why we will find the maximum element of the array, I will tell you later. So I have find it the maximum element of the array is 6. So what we will do, uh, we will calculate the total sum of 1 to 6, and our total sum we can calculate simply 6 into 7 by 2, yani n into n plus, using the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So the total sum will be 21. Okay. And simply we will um, find a difference of 21 minus 12, and we will store this 12 into some variable. So the difference is 9. Why we have find it a difference? Because we have to find those elements which we have to add up to 6 that are not present in the array. And why we have to find those elements? To make the array permutations. uh, so we have find it that uh, we have to add those elements whose sum is equal to 9 and add them into the array to make the array permutations up to 6, means up to this position, up to this value. And if this 9 is not equal to s, then we will start adding the next element of the maximum element, and soon. So after 6 we will add 7 into the sum variable, and if check if this sum is equal to 24 or not. And if it is not equal to 24, then we'll again add and add. And wait guys. So that's all the logic of this video is. So let's move on the code section. So here you can check, I have taken input as m and s, the sum of those elements which should be added to make the array permutations, and I have taken the input of the array, and in m1 variable I have calculated the max element of the array, and in some variable I have calculated the overall sum of the array, that is those elements that are present in the array. uh, so here in In this line I have finded the sum of those elements up to the maximum element which should be added to make the array permutations. So as you can check, in sum 9 will be present, as I have calculated 21 minus 12 equal to 9, and we will check if this 9 equal to s, but note it is not equal s, then we will go in this section, and if this sum equal to s, then we will print yes and we will return from there, and if it is not equal to s, then we will start from m1 plus 1 and we will start brute forcing from there. We will add the I in sum and we will again and again check if sum equal to s, then we will print yes, and if it is not, then we will check again. If a condition comes when sum is greater than s, then we will break from there and print no. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comment section. I will explain your doubt very simply. So thank you guys, take care, bye bye.